In this video, we're looking at how to use LinkedIn to find jobs. LinkedIn is a must-have tool for students and graduates who are looking for jobs because lots of companies place their job adverts on their LinkedIn page, which you can apply to directly. So let's take a look together at what you can find. If you click on the jobs icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage, you can start your search. And I've got an image on here for a reference of what that looks like. That's how it looks like on a laptop, but I believe on your phone it should be on the bottom right corner. But that's how the jobs icon looks like. Then you can search for jobs by using keywords such as job titles, skills, and company names. You can also filter the jobs by location, company size, industry experience level, and more. Then you can click on the job title to view the details. When browsing job listings on LinkedIn, you'll notice that some jobs have an apply button while others have an easy apply button. When you use the apply button, you'll be taken to the company's job site where you'll manually enter your information and answer screening questions. Whereas with Easy Apply, you can submit your application with just a few clicks directly through LinkedIn without having to go through the company's website. Easy Apply is ideal for roles where the application process at a company is more straightforward. And the advantage of that is that you can apply for multiple roles quickly by simply uploading your CV or using your LinkedIn profile. Of course, if you're doing this, make sure that your profile is complete and up to date. And you can also reach out to your previous employers to ask if they can give you an endorsement to verify your skills. And this may sound appealing, but because it requires minimal effort, it attracts a much higher volume of applicants, which increases the competition for each role. And also, you don't really get a chance to tailor your application, so you can't really showcase your personality or any specific skills that you may have. So, do always make sure to attach a tailored cover letter. Remember that you can also sign up on companies' LinkedIn sites to receive their job notifications. Another useful tip is to let recruiters know that you're looking by updating your profile to open to work. Show people you're looking by adding the hashtag open to work photo frame to your profile. Something else that you can do is looking at the Leeds Beckett University's LinkedIn site, where you'll be able to see a tab called Alumni. And clicking on this opens the alumni tool where you can filter and search to find alumni from your course. And these are great people to connect with for job insights and inspiration as well, making a polite connection request, of course. Thank you so much for watching.